Well, the professionals at Dental Implant Center can help you achieve beautiful smiles with less invasive and less expensive options for everyone. A good friend, Dr. Joe Gillespie from the Dental Implant Center right here in Mount Pleasant, has got more. And we've been talking a lot. My dad was a dentist for 40 plus, almost 50 plus years. And things have changed so much over the last 20 to 30 years in the dental business, and trying to keep people very healthy, but also bringing back that wonderful smile. And as we know, it says on the license plate, smiling faces, beautiful places. To bring back that wonderful smile that means so much when you look at somebody and you don't have a good smile, and then you do have a good smile, it's a whole lot different story.
You're right. It's really our passion at the practice. We have three things that we look to try to solve for patients. Number one, if they have a missing tooth, a single tooth replacement, we use a mini dental implant and a crown, and as little really as 1 day, $96 a month with our financing, we can solve those problems and really make it simple, painless, and affordable.
And a lot of times, not only replacing that tooth is good health-wise, but it also keeps the other teeth from shifting, which is extremely important.
That's exactly right. If you replace one tooth, then you don't end up having a collapse of the bite and other problems down the road. So the easiest way is if there is one space, to fix that one space and solve the issue.
Part of getting into denture stabilization as well,
correct,
right?
Correct. So folks that do have the other struggle, other than just one missing tooth, is the denture itself. So a denture traditionally is something that floats, moves around, and rocks. With our solution called denture stabilization, with 6 mini implants, 4 mini implants, we snap that denture in and really give a patient a positive feel, almost like their natural teeth. We have an upgrade from the denture stabilization called Grade on 8, and we introduced this to the Low Country. Grade on 8 is 8 mini dental implants and porcelain teeth, ceramic teeth that go in the mouth. Permanently staying in, the patient does not remove the setup, and it feels as close as natural as possible.
And the Grade on 8 is a huge upscale or step up from the old on 4, correct?
Completely. So we call it old on 4 exactly. With old on 4, a number of things from a higher price point, more surgical. Our approach and solution is just simple, easy, and more cost effective for the patient.
Let's talk about a patient coming in that they may be missing a tooth or two, and they really want to get that upgrade. They want to go back to that original great smile, white teeth, and so forth. One of the big things you do is you sit down and you talk with them.
That's right.
And it's a very friendly bedside manner is great, just understanding where they're coming from.
It's really my job as the educator to kind of give them that yellow brick road or that path to success. If that is 1 or 2 teeth, we focus in on that one simple need. If it's a more involved process, then we want them to have the full understanding of what not only to expect, but the end result and the final smile. Our goal is something we want to reach together.
And we're not talking about people that are up there in age. We're talking about possibly young folks, some folks that might be out there, young people, teenagers that might have a tooth that's knocked out because of the sports. We've got our hockey players, most of them are missing their front teeth anyway, but all of those guys have some sort of implants or some sort of denture that they're wearing as well, right?
Completely, exactly. You'd be amazed at the number. And with the mini implants, we say it's five times less. It's less invasive, less time, less trips to the dentist, less pain, and less expensive.
Once we get up to that point where we've got our teeth back in our mouth, we've got all 32, I believe, that's
right.
back in the mouth, we can also help whiten them tremendously, correct?
Exactly. When it comes to the beauty and aesthetics, we have a technique now that we brought to the Low Country in South Carolina called Glow. It's a combination of both of the best of bleaching has to offer versus the tray you'd have to take home or the laser bleaching you would do in the office. This is essentially a take-home laser you pop in the mouth and lightens the teeth in basically 8 minutes in the comfort of your own home.
Wow.
Very affordable and a great way for spring to get your smile enhanced. Goes on really well with these headshots of just making people look as good as they possibly can.
Wonderful. We've got about 10 seconds left.
Sure.
Facebook giveaway. Tell us about that real quick.
Yes, our Facebook giveaway. If you like our page is Dental Implant Center on Facebook, and you give us a like, you'll be entered in, and we'll see who wins the Glow in March
Wonderful.
1st.
Dr. Gillespie, thank you for
Tom.
being here with us. Got more coming up in just a moment, so you stay with us.